Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get level 255 enchantments in Minecraft using a simple command that works in version 1.2, 1.5, and above. This works for any tool, weapon, or armor, and it's super easy to do with cheats enabled. Let's get into it. Start Minecraft Java Edition, and either create a new world with cheats on or open an existing world. Pause the game, click Open to LAN, and toggle cheats to On. You need cheats enabled to run the command. Press T on your keyboard to open the chat bar. This is where you'll enter the command to get your overpowered enchanted item. Now copy and paste this command into the chat. Hit enter and boom. You now have a netherite sword with Sharpness 255, Unbreaking 255, and Looting 255. Want to enchant other items like armor or tools? Just change netherite Asar's sword to diamond, pickaxe, netherite, hybrid chestplate, or any item you want. These enchantments are way above the normal Minecraft limit, so they're only for fun, testing, or creative mode. Do not use this on public servers, it could get you banned. This works only in Minecraft Java Edition with cheats or command blocks, and that's how you get level 255 enchantments in Minecraft, perfect for dominating mobs, testing mechanics, or just having fun in creative mode. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what overpowered item you want me to show next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your God tier gear.